Hello everybody, Peter here. Today I'm going to do another laptop unboxing. This is the Lenovo L340. This comes equipped with a Ryzen 7 and Vega 10 graphics, but you can also find this with Vega 8 and Ryzen 5 or with Ryzen 3. This laptop costs around 500 to 600 euros, so it's a pretty affordable laptop, though the quality of the materials it's quite fine and it has a really good design. But enough with the talk, and let's start unboxing this pretty blank box that Lenovo provided. So they chipped out on this so they can improve the laptop, and it's also more recyclable than a shiny packet, so thumbs up for Lenovo if you like recycling stuff, but thumbs down if you want a really shiny package and something to brag about. I don't know. I already cut the seal open, so it's gonna be easier for the video. When you open the box, you're gonna be encountered by the laptop over here and by the charger in here. So let's get the smaller stuff first. This is the charger. So it's pretty small, and I have seen this design on Asus as well. I think they copied them, or Asus copied Lenovo, I'm not sure. But the cool thing about it is that it's a small brick. Not as small as my laptop though. My laptop with the Ryzen 5 has a brick like this big. But at least they tried. If you remember the bulky chargers of the old laptops that used to have a middle brick or something, you'd really like this. It's smaller and it's easier to carry around. Okay. Also in this section you have some safety and warranty. Nobody's going to read this, but if you have some warranty problems, I don't think you're going to need this, since the seller will do something about your warranty, not Lenovo. Okay, and this is a quick setup guide. Some steps, to open your laptop, and the diagram to know what everything does on the laptop. Though I think it should be pretty intuitive. I don't think people these days need a setup guide, since it's not going to be your first laptop, or at least you have worked on one at some point. And now the interesting part, the laptop. Let's see how hard is it to open this package. This is a protection. This is the laptop with another protection on. And let's get rid of this box. Here it comes in a bag. I was supposed to think that it's an anti-static bag, but it feels like a normal one. So that's something on which Lenovo has chipped out again. And it has some safety hazards not to leave this with your child. This is a pretty fake plastic, and they can strangle them. They can strangle themselves with this. But in the end you're going to be left with the laptop. What's cool about it? It's an aluminium laptop, at least on this side. The back is plastic, but people are mostly going to see this. So I can live with that. And the Lenovo logo here engraved in some plastic glass, I can say. So this is going to be very hard to remove, especially if you remember old laptops that used to have this engraved over here, and then the letters would chip out. This is a better thing. And let's open it. You can see that you have a standard keyboard, and the cool thing is that you have a numpad. A lot of laptops these days don't come with a numpad, so if you're doing some accounting or if you're working a lot with numbers, this is going to be really helpful. Here you can see the logos of AMD, since this is an AMD powered laptop, Ryzen 7 and AMD Vega on graphics, though it doesn't say that it's AMD Vega 10, it just says AMD Vega graphics. Okay, here are some other features. So it says it has some eye protection, Dolby audio, since I don't think it's Dolby. Every laptop these days comes with some sort of big brand audio label on it. We shall see on the review how good it sounds. And the privacy shutter. That's a cool thing about this laptop. It has quite big bezels, so it's not that beautiful on the screen, though it feels sturdy. So this is good. And the most interesting thing about this part is that you have a shutter for the camera. So if you're really afraid that somebody is going to steal your data, you can shut the shutter of the camera and get rid of the tape. You know, like 2 years ago everybody had some tape on this. Now the tape is integrated in the laptop for some reason. Yeah. Here's some more ventilation that you can see on the back when I'm going to reach the back. And that's with the laptop on the user side of things. On the back, you're going to see the fan intake, and I think this is the outtake. These are the speakers, so they're backfiring. This is going to be really bad if you want to listen to something while being in the bed. So the sound is going to sound really mushy. These speakers are made for the laptop to stand on the hard surface, so the sound would deflect from the hard surface back to your ears. This is a problem that my laptop has as well, but I don't know why they don't put the speakers on here. It would be easier, it would be more comfortable, and it would produce greater sound. Now with the ports, and we'll finish this review. So here's the charging port. Ethernet port that can be extended, and it's really hard. There's quite a spring on it. HDMI, 2 USBs. What's this? This is a combo jack for the microphone and the headset. And here you have some Type-C and LED indicators for different functions of the laptop. And on this side, oh look, this is an old friend, a CD reader. So CDs are pretty much extinct today, so I don't know why you might use it, but some people might want to have one. In my opinion, this is going to be a really good place for an additional hard drive when you don't have enough memory on the laptop. But yeah, I think this only makes the laptop thicker and has no purpose, at least for me. And here at the back is a Kensington lock for putting this laptop on the retail shelf. Thanks for listening to me, and we'll see you at the review of this laptop in a short time. Bye bye.